Isn't it overstated to say that this is one of the most diverse wine regions in the world? Let's let the Greeks and Romans answer that one for us, shall we? If we ask Hermes, the god of travel, he would tell us that the Rhône Valley wine region stretches for no less than 200 kilometers from one end to the other. And if we ask Ceres, the goddess of agriculture, she would talk to us at length about the hillside vineyards, steeply sloping landscapes, mountains, lowlands and terraces of vines. As for Bacchus, the god of wine, he would list the 35 varietals authorized in the Rhône Valley AOCs, an exceptional material for the winemaker to work with in the creation of the wine blends. The diverse palette of varietals enables the winemakers to seek perfect balance and offers infinite possibilities, whether in the vineyards or in the cellars. And if we call upon the divinity of the modern era for her opinion, she would count the 32 AOCs, with 21 AOCs Côte du Rhône, and 11 AOCs Rhône Valley, each of which has its own set of specifications. And what about you, dear wine growers? What do you think? We, the humble servants of the Rhône Valley's wines, grow our vines in 5 main soil types. The granite soils that dominate the north of the Rhône Valley, and the clay, limestone, pebbles, granite and sand of the south. These diverse soils give us a very rich aromatic palette to work with and enable us to produce young and fruity white wines, light and fruity as well as rich and full-bodied reds, light, easy-drinking rosés and also fuller-bodied rosés that are well-suited to gastronomy, white, red and amber sweet wines, not to mention a number of sparkling wines which awaken the palate with an explosion of freshness and intense aromas. Are we not forgetting another regular guest in the Rhône Valley Vineyards? The Rhône Valley Vineyards are blessed by the gods, but one certainly deserves a mention, and that is Aeolus, the god of wind. How could we forget? Do you know the name he goes by here in the Rhône Valley? The Mistral, a frosty poem of his own, but one that is hugely beneficial to the vine. What is the secret behind the quality of the Rhône Valley's wines? It is this harmonious combination between the Mistral wind and the sun. The Mistral protects from disease and cleanses the vine. The sun concentrates the sugars in the grapes and provides them with the warmth they need to ripen. And of course, human intervention and savoir-faire play a very important role as well. Have the gods succeeded in convincing you yet? The immense diversity in the Rhône Valley plays a key role in the richness and complexity of its wines.